Hello, this is Richard Music, and today I'll be walking you through your free web analysis, revealing how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for your business each month. Now, to do this, we first have to understand how people are finding, landscaping businesses in your area. Most people will simply go onto Google and type in whatever service or industry they want, plus their city name, and then we'll pick from the first few results down below, or even from the map pack, which is on the screen here. Now, as you'll notice, that there's for a monthly search volume of 720 a month for landscaping in Fort Worth. Now, we can get your business in front of those searches. We can guarantee that 720 possible customers will see your business first before looking at our competition. However, in order to do this, we'll need to do a few things first. So let's start with the Google map, which is already on the screen. And this Google Map Pack, Google My Business, um, this is the an area that's important for generating traffic for our business. And one of the factors it looks for when selecting where a company will rank is called citations. Now, citations are all the locations where your business name, address, and phone number are listed online, like Facebook and Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Book, and stuff like that. Currently, your top two competitors have 24 and 29 citations. Now, we'll want to make sure that we always go bigger and better than our competition, so I recommend doubling the biggest number. So we'll need, 58 citations in order to really move up in the map pack. But it doesn't stop there. We also have the organic search results down below in this area down in here. And, this area looks for different things than the map pack. Now, let's also go take a look at our competition's website to see how they're ranking on the first page. Now, here we have, Clear Fork Lawn Care. And you'll notice that they have built out a lot of content on their site and that this content is filled with 1,600 keywords and phrases. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do and where we operate from. And this is going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as, high volume and business related searches like landscaping. So we'll want to make sure that we keep our keywords very industry specific while remaining very content rich. But content and keywords are not all that's needed. We also need backlinks to really push us up in the rankings as, content and keywords lay the foundation. Backlinks help give us that big push. So let's take a look at our competitors' backlink structure. Now, if you notice, your competitors have built out 29 backlinks to their website. And that's really generates some power for them while bringing in 185,000, you know, potential users per month, you know, and this traffic is really a direct result of both their, websites, internal factors such as content and keywords, as well as their backlink structure. So to capture this business for ourselves, we simply need to go bigger and better than our competitors in every aspect, including backlinks. So I would recommend, 58 along with our citations and content. Now, this concludes my free web analysis, leaving us with the question: what would this or even a fraction of this increased traffic do for your business each month? Thank you for taking the time to watch. I'll follow up to get your thoughts on my analysis to confirm how useful this information has been to you. Again, this is Richard Music. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.